Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check and change your screen resolution on your Windows 11 computer. So screen resolution is the clarity of text and images displayed on your computer. So if you want to change what your resolution type is, which usually goes hand in hand with whatever your monitor's screen resolution is, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make that adjustment. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in settings, best match, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select display on the right side here. You might have to go underneath system and then select display. Like I said on the left side, then select display on the right. And then underneath scale and layout, display resolution, adjust the resolution to fit your connected display. It'll show you your current display resolution right here. If you click at the drop down, you can select a different resolution from the list here. And then you can go ahead and either keep the changes or revert back. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.